Kuthe kushaya ihora lesithupha ekuseni namhlanje, isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal besesemukele izingane ezingama-47, okungamantombazane angama-26 kanye nabafana abangama-21.
Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu nangesipho esivela kuhulumeni abasinikeze sona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngaso.
I delivered a baby girl today on the 25th of December, which was very special for me because it was my first baby.
Owengamele ezempilo esifundazweni uNomagugu Simelane uhalalisele omama waphinde wabonga izisebenzi zempilo ngokunakekela abantu kuyisikhathi samaholide.
Bringing life into the world is the greatest gift, and doing so on a day as sacred as Christmas is truly special. We also want to take this opportunity and express our deep appreciation to all our healthcare workers across all levels.
Ukukhulelwa kwezingane kuseyinselele KwaZulu-Natal.
These little girls fell pregnant at the age of 14-year-old falling pregnant, which is highly unacceptable. Two of these fathers are aged 19, while the third one is a 23-year-old man who impregnated a 14-year-old.
We are calling upon the parents, in fact, to communicate sense to the children so that they understand how to handle themselves while they are still young. And we are discouraging those old men who impregnate those younger ones.
Kusenjalo, eGauteng iphini likaNgqongqoshe womnyango wezasekhaya uNjabulo Nzuza lihambele isibhedlela saseThembisa njengengxenye yokusebenzisana komnyango wezempilo nowezasekhaya.
Please make sure that you register the birth of your babies within 30 days. The reason for that is that we do not want to have people who come, they are 15 years old, they are 25 years old, they don't have a sense of identity.
Omama bakujabulele kakhulu ukuthola ithuba lokwenzela izingane zabo izitifiketi zokuzalwa.
So my son's name is Oradile, and he was born at 10:01 this morning. So I'm really ecstatic. That's why I'm smiling so much. I'm really happy and feel so blessed today. And I'm also grateful that I got to do the whole birth certificate thing while I'm here.
Kusenjalo eWestern Cape kuthe makuthambama ilanga bese ziyishumi izingane ebesezizaliwe. eMpumalanga bese singama-34, kanti eLimpopo bese singama-40.